The world-leading robot vacuum cleaner with triple eye LiDAR is here. What's up guys, Christian here, welcome back to the channel. And this is the 360 robot vacuum cleaner S10 and currently being funded via Indiegogo. You can check the link in the description below for an early bird price. I was invited by 360 to review this vacuum cleaner, but rest assured the thoughts here are my own. So let's start by unboxing this, and I've noticed that this packing itself is slimmer than most of the vacuum cleaners that I've encountered before, but it is wider, so I was expecting it to be a big vacuum. So let's unbox this. Okay, so into the box, first thing we see is the 360 robot vacuum cleaner user manual. And let's see, it is multilingual, so which is good. And we have the robot vacuum itself. As I've expected, it is quite a big robot vacuum. It's quite wide. We're gonna check out the dimensions later. And it also comes with the dock. We have the charging dock and also the power adapter. And there is a detachable mop that you can put in, add on, or remove at the bottom of this vacuum. So let's explore more of this vacuum. Before we set this up, let's check its specs. And this is a 360 robot vacuum cleaner S10, which uses LiDAR SLAM. Its dimension is 350 by 350 by 85 millimeter, and its net weight is 3.85 kilograms. Battery capacity is 5000 milliamp hour, and its rated voltage is 14.52 volts. Rated power is 30 watts. Its water tank is 520 milliliter, and its dustbin is 500 milliliter. Maximum suction power is 3300 pascal. Main brush is floating frames and brush roll. As for the docking station, its dimension is 220 by 153 by 100 mm, and its rated power is 24 volts. And it uses the 360 robot app, which is compatible for both Android and iOS. It can connect via Bluetooth 5.0, and it supports 12 languages. First thing I noticed about this vacuum is that it doesn't have any sensor sticking out on the top, so it's flat. So you don't have to worry about hitting that on, like, especially if it goes under a sofa or under any of your furniture, if it has a low furniture. So this is quite good design compared to most of the vacuums out there. And I'm very excited to start using this, and my wife is very ecstatic as well. So let's go ahead. It is very straightforward to set up. You can register using your email or probably your Gmail account, your Facebook account, and there are other options as well. Hit on the plus sign at the top right and just follow the prompts. Okay, so let's now go to the first feature. 360 robot vacuum cleaner S10 is the world's leading triple eye LiDAR robot vacuum cleaner, which can provide a full-scaled 3D mapping navigation for your whole house. And it can accurately detect more than hundreds of obstacles with no blind spots, such as slippers, toys, and even pet poop, which is quite good because I've seen some videos online. The robot vacuum just run over the pet poop and it doesn't look good. The three lasers are: number one is the main laser, or all house mapping and obstacle recognition for no blind spots, which accurately recognizes hundreds of obstacles and are more flexible to navigate for them under the sofa. If it is high enough, the S10 will get under it. If not, the S10 will know it can't pass through and then steer it away. 360 has done a good job with the design. It has a hidden LiDAR design. It has ultra thin body of 3.35 inches, which makes it easy to go under sofas with low clearance. And the next feature is the autonomous AI navigation. So that's the SLAM algorithm. Its AI navigation technology, S10 can accurately detect the obstacle and navigate around it. With 6 anti-dropping sensors, it can automatically detect the edge of the stairs and replan the route to avoid falling down. And it also shows superior over-obstacle ability to climb the threshold, sliding rails, and other objects as high as 2 centimeters and won't be stuck on it. the S10 is smart to know where to go. And this device has a 4-stage suction power with a maximum of 3,300 Pascal. 4-stage suction adjustments are quiet mode up to 600 Pascal, standard mode up to 1,000 Pascal, powerful mode at 1,500 Pascal, and the max mode of 3,300 Pascal. And it has a 27,000 RPM high-speed motor. The S10 can adjust the power to vacuum all the hair, hidden dust, and dust mites from every corner of your home, effectively for deep and thorough cleaning on the floor and carpets. And this 360 S10 robot vacuum cleaner has a 3-stage intelligent mopping. First, the S10 has a large water tank which is double capacity compared with other robot vacuum. It can cover a large mopping area in one go. Due to the 3-stage intelligent mopping, S10 can do the precise water dripping without damaging your floor in long-term use. And it has a larger mop pad as well. You can designate the mopping area and set the mopping times as you wish on the app. You can also choose the auto mop mode on the app, and the water dripping will be automatically adjusted according to the floor material. And lastly, S10 will not go onto the carpet with the mop bracket installed, as it supports auto carpet detection and tank insulation detection. Definitely won't leave you a wet carpet. 360 has a patented noise reduction technology. And this has a very huge battery of 5,000 mAh. Big battery means longer battery life, which has an extended cleaning time, so it can continuously operate up to 3 hours on a full charge. And it will automatically return to the charging base for charging when the power is going to run out. And on top of all that, this device is compatible with the popular smart voice assistant like Alexa or your Google Home, which makes it more convenient using the device. Okay, now let me show you how to empty the dustbin. Right, so there is a hood, you just open it like that, it doesn't have any lock or anything, and you just have to pull the lever up and just pull out the dustbin itself. So it is very easy to remove the dustbin, and to empty the dustbin there is this neon green button. Once you press it, it's going to open the dustbin and straight away it will empty it. And there is a filter as well on the top, which you can just remove the cover, pull out the filter, and you can wash the filter, and you can also wash the whole dust bin, and make sure it's all dry before you put it back. It also has a cleaning brush here, which you can use it to clean some dust if it's all over the compartment, and also if there are hair that has been tangled on the brush itself, there is a something like a cutter to cut those hair loose. Okay, so now let's go to the water tank. So at the back there is this pull lever, so once you pull it out, you will have the water tank, and there is a green, neon green cover over here, which you open it and you can feel the water, fill up the water from here. And to put it back, it is also quite straightforward. Just put it like that. That's it. It will snap. And to attach the mop, you just have to put it at the back. Just lift it a little bit and just snap it, and the mop is already attached in place. And there is a quick release to unlock and remove the mop from the device. And for you to wash and remove the cloth on the mop itself, so it is like a Velcro type, so you just have to pull it out. Once everything is pulled out, you just slide it out. So that easy. You can wash this and dry it before putting it on this mop plate. And clearly this is one of the best robot vacuum out there. When they first launched in Indiegogo, first 15 hours they already reached $40,000 worth of sales, which is quite good. So do check out the link in the description below to get an early bird price from Indiegogo. And also, if you do have questions, if you're planning to buy this, if you already have this, you want to ask more questions, you can leave a comment down below. I'll answer the best as I can. This has been Christian. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.